Welcome to this Yoga Nidra meditation for deep rest and relaxation. Allow the sound of the water to soothe your nervous system. As you settle into this practice, imagine your breath is ebbing and flowing as effortlessly as the waves come and go from the shoreline. Imagine your breath is coming in and out of your heart center as we settle into the breathing rhythm of a 4-4 breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And now return your breath to a natural rhythm as you settle deeper into relaxation, allowing gravity to support you so there's nothing for you to do to hold your body upright. You may be lying in your bed, on your yoga mat, or the earth itself. Your arms may be softly at your side, with palms facing up. You may choose to use a pillow to support your knees and neck, closing your eyes if that feels natural to you, embracing your inner vision. Or if you choose to keep your eyes open, find a fixed still point to rest your gaze upon. Ask yourself, could you perhaps become 5% more comfortable? You may pause this recording if you need more time to get comfortable. And when you're ready, settle into stillness, knowing there's nothing more for you to do. Follow my guidance. And now bring your attention to your heart's wish for this meditation. A sankalpa. You may use your own intention or borrow mine. It is more than enough simply to be here as I am. It is more than enough simply to be here as I am. And now tune into your body as we prepare for a rotation of consciousness. Imagine this is a massage for your nervous system. Bring awareness to your mouth, the roof of your mouth, the tip of your tongue, upper gums and teeth, lower gums and teeth, the space between your upper lip and lower lip, the softness of your right cheek, the softness of your left cheek, the right eye, eyelid, eyebrow, temple, the left eye, eyelid, eyebrow, temple, the space between your eyes, the softness of your forehead, the top of your head, the back of your head, the right ear, the folds and valleys of your outer ear, the touch of air on the earlobe, the inner ear, and bring awareness to your left ear, the folds and valleys of the outer ear, the touch of air on the earlobe, the inner ear. Witness the space between the ears. Bring your awareness to the tip of your nose, the left nostril, the right nostril, your jaw as it softens, neck and throat, right collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, right wrist, counting fingers on the right hand, down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The palm of your hand, the back of your right hand, and bring your awareness back to your collarbone, left collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, left wrist, counting fingers on the left hand, down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice the palm of the left hand and the back of the hand. Bring awareness back to your collarbone, ribs, navel, the pelvic bowl. Witness the fluid movement of air as your breath expands, noticing your belly rise with the inhale and fall with the exhale as it matches the rhythm of the water, effortlessly ebbing and flowing. Now bring your awareness to your right hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, right foot, counting toes on the right foot, down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice the sole of your foot and the top of your right foot. And now bring your awareness to your left hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, left foot, counting toes on the left foot, down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice the sole of the left foot and the top of the foot. Bring awareness to the whole left side of your body and the right hemisphere of your brain. The whole left side of the body and the right hemisphere of the brain. And now switch your awareness to the right side of your body and the left hemisphere of your brain. The right side of the body and the left hemisphere of your brain. And allow the image of the water to gently bathe you, front to back, left to right, and right to left, invigorating all your cells as they glow with the energy of the restorative water. I will hold space for 2 minutes of silence as you focus on the energy of the water, releasing what no longer serves you. And now, returning to my guidance, come back to the present moment and connect to your heart's wish, the sankalpa for this meditation. It is more than enough simply to be here as I am. bring your awareness to a sensation of opposites as you reflect on the energy of resting on Earth's gravity. You may imagine you are resting on the beautiful granite rocks that hold the heat from the sun, grounded in Earth's energy. As you look up at the sky and the effortless movement of the clouds as they drift by, feeling grounded, heavy, anchored by Earth's gravity. As you also look up at the sky, feeling light and airy, peaceful. Again, return to the energy of feeling grounded, sinking deeper into the gravity as Earth holds you. While you bring your attention to the sky and feel the airy sensation of floating with the clouds. One more time, return to the sensation of being grounded, resting peacefully on the Earth's surface. As you gaze at the sky with the clouds floating by, and bring your awareness back to your breath, the anchor point that connects the two sensations. As you feel the grounded energy of the earth and breathe in the air. As the air enters your heart space, feel the lungs expand on the inhale. And your stomach flatten with the exhale. And now, as we prepare to end this practice, bring your awareness back to the body. You may trace its image with an outline. Perhaps you see the light on the other side of your eyelids if your eyes are closed, or if your gaze is softly resting on a fixed still point. Expand your view, taking in the full surroundings around you. Wiggle your toes and fingers. You may give yourself a hug. Perhaps you pull your knees to your chest and gently rock your pelvis as you rock side to side. And thank the part of you that showed up for this practice today. Open your eyes and take in your surroundings. You may stretch and sway your body as you make preparations to return to the world outside you. Be gentle with yourself. Return to the outer world in a mindful manner, and know that you can always return to this practice when you need to find some peace and calm in your life. Know that the light within me sees the light within you. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be loved. May you be whole. Namaste.